today I come at you with the 2-minute 10 Master Lock Bosnian Veil Challenge. What we're going to be doing is opening up 10 Master Locks in under 2 minutes, basically. All of them are number 3s, except this is a number 1, this is a 425, and I believe this is a 140. So all the rest of these are number 3s. So we're going to do it in under 2 minutes. Here we go. Ready, set, go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is actually a 3-up lock. Been being talked about by SE Lock and Key. There's that one. And Lockpicking Lawyer lately. Last 2 locks. That guy. And there we go. 154.9. Sweet. That's 10 locks. Here we go. Let's go through them again. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and big fat 10. Sweet. Thank you so much for watching. This is K1 Locks again, saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock. This is not sponsored by Bosnian Veil or has any affiliation to him. This is just my little happy thing, doing my own little happy way. I just thought it would be fun. Let's see if you can do it too. K1 Locks signing out. Alright, folks, quick addendum. So, in order to win this multi-lock, that's right, it's this multi-lock with the card. Its approximate worth is $99. In order to win it, I need you to be a subscriber. I need you to have a YouTube channel. I need you to pick open a padlock that is not too easy but not too difficult. You know, just pick something open, a padlock open that kind of gets your panties in a twist. And then in the comments below, show a video, put a link to that video in the comments below. So that's it. Subscriber, have a YouTube channel, pick a lock, a padlock, and send it to me in the comments. And that will enter you into the contest to win the lock, which is for my 200th subscriber and 200th video giveaway. I have a few more things up my sleeve, but you'll have to wait and see what those are down the road. So, again, this is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.